Hi, I'm Trent Still, principal at Autodesk for Design and Manufacturing. Previously, I founded Lahoma, a furniture brand based in San Francisco. With 15 years of experience in the design and make space, I've seen a lot of consumer products come to market. One thing I always pay attention to is details and usability. In a world where overstatement is everywhere, finding brands or projects that distill complexity into a well-designed form factor is a breath of fresh air. Products that incorporate the entirety of the design and make process always emerge as thought and practice leaders. That's why we love seeing projects like our winner today leverage Autodesk's Fusion, which enables design teams to connect the entire product development process from ideation to completion within one cloud-based tool. I'm excited to announce the winner of the Autodesk Fusion Prize, which recognizes the most outstanding project that used Fusion from all entries. And the winner is Adæpt. Adæpt impressed us all with their ability to create a beautifully designed, efficient, and novel product for bringing creative tools to people with cerebral palsy. Through research and prototyping, the Adæpt team was able to create a product that enables socializing, entertainment, and work for individuals with CP. Due to the difficulties found with using computers independently because of interaction mismatching in both hardware and software, the team created a modular, user-friendly tool that can be deployed to those in need to express their creativity more effectively. Through active user research, physical prototyping, mesh modeling, ergonomic studies, and sculpting in Fusion, the team leveraged Fusion's professional-grade tools to enable exploration and throughput. Congratulations to the Adæpt team on a job well done.